Hello guys. Okay, so I know I haven't posted in a long time. Not years. I just haven't posted in a while. Okay, so I'm gonna give my sister the Rubik's Cube. She's gonna mix it up.
Really?
Yes. And it doesn't matter if she twists a corner, but I'll solve it with one hand. With one hand. Okay? So, here you go. I'm gonna close my eyes. Almost done?
Done.
Okay. Tell me in the comments how long you think it will be. I'll wait. Okay, great. Okay. So, and no cheating also. No cheating. Okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna do it with one hand. Obviously, my right hand, because I'm holding my phone with my left hand. So, yeah, okay. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Can you use the timer? Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1, start. Oh, right. Sorry. It wasn't even on camera. Sorry. I'm not using table grease. So, can you hold it? I just clickbaited y'all. I just clickbaited y'all. I'm sorry.
And you're using 2 hands.
I'm so sorry. I'm going to finish this now.
So, do you want me to stop the timer? No?
Nah. But that was a really rookie mistake. But that was a really big rookie mistake. Okay. So. Not that bad, because I did like do it in the middle of it. I did switch to my I did switch to my I don't know.
You did?
I did switch to doing 2, but okay, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Get a good inspection. Looks solved, right? It's solved, right? So, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, that's so cool. USA. US flag. So, there. So, if you want to do that, like, do that, and that. Yeah. Wait. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. So like this, and that is how you do that. Like that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So.
Don't you do that again? But you want to salvage
Yeah.
again?
Yeah.
But only with 1 hand?
Oh yeah. Yeah. There.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So. Okay. So. Well, she restarted it. As you can see.
Yeah.
It's at 0. So I'm going to solve this. And how long do you think it will go for?
Leave your answer in the comments.
Yeah.
Leave your answer in the comments.
Yeah. I would suggest turn up your volume and replay it. So yeah.
Very quiet.
Yeah, she is very quiet. So, holy moly, I'm so tired. Okay. Okay. Okay, so flip the camera. Okay. So when she says start, or when I say start, then
I'm
you start
gonna, yeah, I'm gonna
Okay.
start the timer.
3, 2, 1, start. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm doing like this so I can prove that I'm doing it with one hand.
Yeah, and I'm also putting the camera, doing the camera towards the.
Okay, and if you can't solve Rubik's Cube, then just lying to yourself, because you can solve one. But it just needs practice, because I started without even knowing how to solve the first layer. And then, well, I'll link some videos in the in the description, so you can watch them and hopefully learn.
Like, watch them after watching this one. Right?
Yeah, after watching this one,
Go watch some of the other videos.
yeah.
You're just mixing it up again.
No, I'm not. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Alright. Okay.
Oh.
So, just to prove that I kept my arm on here.
He
3,
put his
2, 1. Did it leave a mark?
I don't see one.
Oh man, okay. Well, oh my gosh.
4 minutes, 8 seconds, and 84 milliseconds.
Okay, so if you got it right, then great job.
Yeah.
Great job. Like, it didn't have to be on the dot, but like.
And if you were close, then
Sure, good. Like, it's really good.
yeah.
So, it's a Rubik's speed cube. So,
Yeah,
very
as you can
faded.
tell, it says it Rubik's speed.
yes. Okay. You could, where did you get the Rubik's cube? The speed cube? Where did you get this?
Amazon.
Okay, you
Here-
can get this at Amazon. You can get this cube on Amazon.
Yeah.
So, and learn from there. I didn't learn from a speed cube. I learned from a phantom cube. So,
Yeah.
which is even harder
Yeah.
to learn from. So,
A phantom cube is where
all of the colors turn black.
when it's cold,
Yeah, when it's cold, it turns black.
and you have to use heat to make the colors show.
Yeah.
But this cube is just a normal cube.
It has magnets.
Yeah. It has magnets.
So, and I'm gonna have to fix the magnets. So,
Of course, if you get stuff for hamburgers, you're gonna have to do the hamburgers. And you'll have to
So-
tell them what to get for the hamburgers.
see you later.
Of course,
I
I
guess.
like putting
See you later,
the
guys. Bye.
Bye.
stuff in. The green bean casseroles. I like
Say bye.
that.
Bye.
Inside.
Bye.
And I like